We live in an age of constant noise. Your tired eyes reflect 1,000 notifications, while your soul yearns for the clarity that seems out of reach. Deep in the digital city, the blue light of your screen has become a cage. You are busy every second, but are you truly being effective? In a quiet workshop, time slows down. Here, an old master shows us that greatness isn't about doing more, but about doing one thing with total presence. The weight of the world feels heavy on your shoulders, yet the secret to changing everything starts with a single, tiny movement of focused intent today. Silence is not the absence of sound, but the presence of focus. It is in this stillness that the most powerful transformations begin to take root. You don't need a grand revolution to reclaim your life, but you only need to understand the hidden power of the first domino in your daily routine. A single domino can topple another that is 50% larger. This is the law of geometric progression, the secret leverage of the most successful people. Small habits are the tiny dominoes of life. When you push the first one, you set in motion a chain reaction that can eventually move mountains. Think of the bamboo, which grows underground for years before exploding upward. Success is the product of daily habits, not a once-in-a-lifetime miracle transformation. Better by just 1% every single day, that is the rule. It sounds small, but over time, it creates a version of you that is unrecognizable. Step 1. Reclaim your territory. By putting away the distractions, you tell the world that your time and your mind are no longer for sale. Commit to 90 minutes of deep work. No interruptions, no excuses. Just you and the most important task that will move your life forward today. Digital detox is not a luxury. It is a necessity. Kill the notifications before they kill your creativity. Silence the world to hear your own genius. Trade the digital scroll for the physical page. When you write by hand, you connect your thoughts to your actions in a way no screen can. The 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Clear the small hurdles so they don't become a wall of stress. Every small completion builds momentum. You are not just cleaning a desk. You are training your brain to finish what it starts without hesitation or delay. Monotasking is the new superpower. In a world of multitasking, the person who can focus on just one thing is the person who wins. Be present with your work. Give it all your energy. When you stop scattering your attention, your productivity will reach heights you never thought possible. Practice mindfulness. Between the stimulus and the response, there is a space. In that space lies your freedom and your power to choose your focus. A calm mind is a powerful tool. By breathing through the chaos, you transform from a victim of your environment into the master of your fate. Optimize your environment. Your physical space is a reflection of your mental state. Clear the clutter to make room for the big ideas to grow. Design a sanctuary for your mind. When you enter this space, your brain knows it is time to perform. Consistency is the key to elite performance. End your day with an evening review. Reflecting on your wins turns a good day into a great life. Success is not a destination. It is a series of checked boxes. Each mark is a promise kept to yourself, building an unbreakable foundation of self-trust. After months of discipline, the change is visible. You move with a different energy now.
Well done.
You are no longer chasing time. You are commanding it. In 1 year, that 1% adds up to hundreds of hours of mastery. You didn't need more time. You simply needed more focused intention. The results speak for themselves. Projects that once took months now take weeks. Your output is not just higher, it is significantly better in quality. The student has learned the master's secret. Greatness is found in the small things done with great love and an unwavering focus every single day. Every morning is a new chance to set your dominoes in a row. The past is gone. The future is built by what you focus on right now. The first domino is in your hand. What is the one small habit you will start today? Comment below and let the chain reaction begin.